You would never drive your car 10,000 miles or 10,000 kilometers without doing an oil change. Likewise, the body needs routine maintenance. And if you've never done Panchakarma, ASAP is the name of the game. That's if you want to live as well as possible, you want to enjoy a good quality of life for as long as possible. If that's your goal, then go right away for Panchakarma. Panchakarma does require more time. 21 to 28 days is the minimum time frame you should be considering. But if you cannot do that, come for 14 and we'll do as much as we can in those 14 days. And if you only have 7 days, fine. But then don't choose a beach resort. Choose a place where you're going to get a hardcore Panchakarma experience in 7 days. And we know of such places that will do that. Now, you might not be ready for hardcore, and that's totally fine. What do I mean by hardcore? I suggest we have a conversation about that, because if I tell you what hardcore Ayurveda is about, you might not want to do it. So simply put, if you're looking at living longer, if you want to treat your ailments, if you want to realize your highest and best self, Panchakarma is for you. And if that interests you, contact Ayurooms. We will help you find the best place for Panchakarma.